Hello everyone. Today this is the part 2 of the um, lesson for differential calculus. This is Today we're going to use some examples in order to demonstrate the rules of differentiation. So here we have our first example. We have y. So in order to, let's say, derive y, we have y prime. So we have 5x raised to 3. Therefore 5 times 3, 3 minus 1 minus 4 times 2, x 2 minus 1 plus 3 times 1, x 1 minus 1. Then 6. 6 is a constant, therefore you just go 0, okay? So this here is the power rule, and power rule, okay? So here we have 5 times 3 equals 15, x squared minus 8x raised to 1, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, plus 3, then any let's say variable raised to 0 is equals to 1. So therefore we would have our final answer, I think. So next we have our second example. We have y. We need to find the y prime, or the first derivative. So we know that square root of 5 minus 6x is just raised to 1/2. Okay, so using, let's say, power rule, we have 1/2 bring down here, then 5 minus 6x, then 1/2 minus 1. Then don't forget the derivation of the inside equation. I mean, inside term. We have 5, which is 0, minus 6. Okay, the derivation of 6x is just 6. Okay, so we have this one. 1/2, then 5 minus 6x. Then we have negative 1/2, and then negative 6. Okay, so here we have to simplify this further. We know that anything that has a negative exponent could be converted into the denominator in order for it to have a positive exponent. So we have, say, negative 6 over 2. Then we would have 5 minus 6x 1/2. Okay, so negative 6 divided by 2, we just have 3. Negative 3 square root of 5 minus 6x. Okay, since raised to 1/2 and square root is just the same. Okay, so we have our second example. So I encourage everyone to solve with me and just check your answer. Okay, so here we have our third one. We have y over, you could use the quotient rule, but today I'm going to use the power rule. So in order to use power rule in this kind of situations, we have 4 and bring this to the numerator. So we have 2x plus 1. Then this would turn into negative, okay? And then we could apply the power rule. So we have 4 times negative 3, 2x plus 1, then negative 3, so we have negative 4. Then the derivation of this one, so we have 2x. 2x, or just 2. Okay, the derivation of 2x is just 2, and 1 is just 0. Okay, so we have 4 times 2, we have 8. 8 times negative 3, we have 24. Okay, so we have negative 24. Okay, and then 2x plus 1 raised to negative 4, and just bring down the negative. So we have negative 24 all over 2x plus 1 negative 4. So this would be our answer for the third example. So I hope you have learned something and see you soon. Bye bye.